Welcome back, guys. Back out here for another video. Kind of in the same spot that me and Luke went to a couple of videos ago, if you saw that one. Back out in the big mountains. The only thing different with this one is I'm on my own, and then we're just a little bit, I'm gonna be just a little bit more south of where me and Luke were. But yeah, it should be nice, or another good little camping adventure. Got a bunch of food to cook up, and yeah, I'm excited. The other thing is, weather-wise, it's kind of been raining like all day. It's pretty windy too, so not the most ideal conditions, but make the most of it. Probably won't be able to see, you know, the crazy mountain view, but that's all good. We'll have fun either way. So yeah, gonna go over to this spot and we'll start getting some firewood. Alright, so this spot will do. Jeep's just right here. There's already a fire pit here. This kind of ridge is pretty popular for a bunch of people to come out, you know, on weekends and stuff. So yeah, it's nice. There's already a fire pit, but the view is what gets me. You got the river valley down there, the mountains, which you can just see under the heavy clouds, and yeah, this will be pretty awesome. So gonna start getting some fire. We might have to go down the hill here just because all the deadfall has been, you know, burned up here, just because, like I said, it's pretty popular. But get started on that, get the fire going. So there's not a ton of deadfall around here, even down the hill. A lot of this stuff is just kind of laying on the ground. It's been super wet out lately, so I definitely want something that's standing if I'm going to be able to have a decent fire. There's this pretty big tree here. It's not bad. I think my saw is just wide enough to get through it, but it's got all this dry stuff on the edges I could use. Kind of as the smaller stuff, so might try this. The only thing is I'm gonna have to cut it up in quite a few seconds to go back up the hill. But yeah, if I get this one and maybe one more, that should be good. Yeah. Oh. Well, got that tree cut down. It's gonna be a lot of work to bring that up the hill, so kind of just taking a moment to relax. It's so nice out here. Finally spring. Most of the snow is melted, and yeah, just kind of taking it in. These solo trips are a good opportunity to just reset the mind, relax, you know. So really wish I had a longer saw. It's taking forever. Ah. Oh. It's a nice hefty chunk. Alright, that took about an hour, but got a decent amount of firewood. Just kind of contemplating what I want to do here. The wind is not dying down. If anything, it's gotten a lot stronger. Obviously we're on this ridge here, so yeah, not the best for having a fire. What I might do is go into the trees over here. Kind of sucks because I wanted, you know, the beautiful view right out the back, but it's all good. I mean, we're still within, you know, close range of that. So I have a bunch of these twigs and stuff. I'm probably gonna have to either carry them over there, or I might just put them on the top of this and see if they'll stay on. Drive them over. Yeah, but we'll move everything over and we'll start the fire here. Worst cargo securement in history right there. Alright, just as I thought it would, it fell off. But we got a little bit closer, so I'm gonna have to carry the rest of this over. I think that's a little bit better. I'm like deep in the trees here. I had to kind of maneuver, squeeze this thing in, but yeah, I got all the firewood here. It's a lot less windy, so probably set up the fire right here, and yeah, I'm gonna get on that because I've been here way too long to not have a fire, so gotta get moving. Oh, I'm gonna be eating with these hands later. Just a little dirt. It's all good. Alright, so it's pretty well dark now. My friend called me. I actually have service out here somehow, but my friend called me for a good half an hour, so yeah, it's been a little bit since the last clip, but got all my wood kind of divvied up. Probably have a couple hours of firewood, so I'm gonna get this started, and yeah, looking forward to it. Using this fire starter here too. Alright, we've got fire. That was not super easy to start with how wet everything is. But she's getting going. She's getting there. Just got my license plate here, trying to get some air in there. Usually just take it off for the videos. I'm on Crown Land too, so. But yeah, we're gonna let that get going for a minute, and then once that's big, actually I'll show you guys what I have for food while we let this get going. Alright, so fire's going good now. Had to take probably an extra 10 minutes just to get it figured out. The wood is just so wet. around here. But yeah, take a look at what I got to eat today. So got two different types of prawn skewers again. One's mango chili prawn, or mango chili, one's garlic butter and herb. So we'll get those going. I just realized I forgot any sort of seasoning, but I have a little strip loin here. I mean, we'll have the charcoal flavor. It's all good. Don't really need seasoning. It's all good. A little bit of potato salad. The garlic butter and herb corn that me and Luke had last time. And then for a drink, got this organic yerba mate. Me and Luke had these last time. It's just like a organic iced tea. And then a special thing today is we got this dough ball, pre-made dough ball. Gonna cook up some bread on the fire, and then here's the cool part. So from this roadside stand, I got this 100% all natural Canadian honey with cinnamon in it, and this stuff is just unbelievable. Take a look at this here. Like, oh my, can't wait to try that on some of that bread. So yeah, we'll throw the grill down and get cooking here. All right, so gonna set the handy grill there again. Let's get this guy going a bit more. This wood's just so wet, doesn't want to burn very well. Okay, and then so there's our skewers. Throw those guys right there. And these typically cook up pretty quick, so shouldn't take too long. Oh, I was gonna bring tongs. Keep forgetting. All right. And then may as well grab the steak as well. Nice little 0.3 kilogram steak. Couldn't tell you what that is in ounces, but if you're wondering about size. Oh yeah, look at that. So this I'm just gonna put there. These shrimp usually cook pretty quick. And then yeah, this steak, I'm just gonna lay down right there. Hopefully that gets a little bit of a char on it, but yeah, let those cook up for a minute, see how that goes. Okay, now while those are cooking, I'm gonna take our bread dough. It's actually, I think it's pizza dough. Same thing Luke got last time, but I don't know, without any cheese and pizza ingredients, it kind of just tasted like bread. Alright, so just gonna grab a nice piece of it here. Rip that off. Alright, and then I'll throw that down there as well. We'll let that guy slowly cook too. Look at that. Steak is just sizzling up. Shrimp are done. Just getting this guy cooked up here. Oh, look at the sear on that. That is not bad. It's probably at about a medium rare right now. So I'll probably take it off pretty quick. This little, oh my god, this bread is just not cooking super well so far. Getting there, getting there. Getting smoked out. It's coming right at me. Oh. Yeah, it's interesting. I was saying earlier, have service out here. Like, we're pretty deep in the mountains. Only a kilometer or two, I'd say, from where me and Luke were last time, and we didn't have service there. So, I mean, it's kind of nice. I was gonna watch a hockey game that was going on, but got a little bit distracted, so didn't end up getting around to it. But it is nice to have service out here, especially in the case of an emergency. I mean, I usually have the spot and stuff, the spot tracker, which you can SOS on, but phone's good too, right? But now we're almost done, almost done. Excited to eat. Not cooking the corn just because it is kind of a lot of food, so I'll just go with these things for now. But yeah. Oh no, my bread. Oh, it's a little charred there. Alright. I am, oh, don't need that extra plate. Okay. Gonna get this potato salad on here. This is just some pre-made potato salad from the grocery store. Alright, now have to do the mandatory part of any time you cook bread on the fire is pick off the charred bits, because that always happens. But get those off. Oh, that's some perfectly cooked bread actually, besides, like I said, the charred bits. And now I'm going to take my special honey, like we talked about. Oh, that is good. That is so good. It's just me using this, so no, I'm putting that spoon in there I just licked. Alright, we're gonna take our special honey and just get that on there. It's very thick. Kind of hard to spread. Oh, very hard to spread. So you know she's natural. Just makes your hands extremely sticky as well. Put that there. Alright, there we go. There's the platter. Thumbnail. Ooh, that's good. Let's see how the steak is done. Hopefully a nice medium rare on the inside. And that's more like a medium well. Usually I like medium rare, but can't complain for cooking it over the fire. Tried my best. Taste of this. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. This stuff is unbelievable. Oh. I'd say go and order some or something if it was online, but it was literally just a roadside stand, like north Alberta, probably 5 hours north of Edmonton, if anyone knows where that is. I was doing some work up there, but yeah, it's awesome. So I'm gonna eat this all up, and yeah, gonna enjoy it, that's for sure. This is a lot of food. If anyone's wondering, I know there's a couple comments on one of my videos just about fire bans and stuff. So, like I've said before, I live in Alberta, Canada. We get really bad wildfires around here, at least in the last couple of years, especially British Columbia, which is the province to the west. So usually everything's shut down as far as, you know, open campfires go. Most of northern Alberta is already getting fires, so there's a lot of fire bans and stuff. The rest of Alberta kind of has like fire advisories, so you're allowed to have fires, just it has to be within a designated campsite. This one kind of area of crown land though, luckily it's still like it's pretty wet around here, kind of mossy, so there's actually no fire restrictions. So yeah, just gonna try to take advantage of it, you know, while I can. Makes for a better video too, right? Better cooking, a little bit more enjoyable. But I'm thinking what I could do after is there's these little portable fires I could bring, or you know, I could just bring like a regular camp stove or something. We'll see. But yeah, for now just taking advantage of the fact that I can come out here and have a nice fire, and yeah. Alright, so done eating here. I mean, I left about half my steak. Just kind of full for it right now, but might eat that in a bit. But yeah, not much else for the night. The fire's kind of dying down. It's getting pretty late and got some stuff to do tomorrow, so probably head to bed here, and yeah, I think I'll just end it off there. But it's been a good one. This is the first one, you know, fully spring. Everything's like pretty much melted as far as the snow goes, so yeah, I'm excited. Got a lot of good adventures planned, and yeah, this one's been good, so leave it at that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching again as always, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.